showing you my fidget spinners. So I've got first the Green Ninja one. So yeah. Number 2 is this like metallic green one. Pretty good spin. Number 3 we got this emoji one, orange, black bearings. Goes like this. So yeah. We got this red ninja one. So yeah. This one had no bearings, but this one. Number 6 is blue one. That's a lovely spin. Got this one. Nope. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to comment down below. No wait, if you enjoyed today's video, comment down below if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, comment down below if you like this video. Yeah, peace.